Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What is it about?
It's about a home in Spain.
Okay, let's watch.
My name's Lucia. I'm from Spain. This is my home. This is the living room. There are pictures on the walls, and there are lots of plants. This is the kitchen. The walls are white, and the floor is white. This is my mum and my brother. They're in the dining room. This is my sister. She's in her bedroom. She's got a desk and a bed. She's got a chair too. It's white. Here's my bedroom. This is my bed. There's a cupboard under my bed. I've got a chair. It's green. My bedroom is my favourite room.
My bedroom has got a desk and a chair too. What's your home like, Tia?
Well, there's a living room. There are 2 chairs and a table, and there are lots of pictures on the walls.
My house has a lot of pictures too. What is your home like?